Welcome to Spring Lib.
This helicopter moves in x direction with a speed of 120 mil per hour, and this blade is rotated at 180 rpm in clockwise direction. In this question, we find the instantaneous axis of rotation. So we know that the linear velocity is equal to angular velocity into distance. So the speed is 120 mil per hour. Change this value into feet per second. So 120 into 120 divided by 60 into 60. Solve this value and we get 176 feet per second. Now we find the angular velocity. This is 2 pi and divide by 60. Number of revolution is 180 divided by 60. So this becomes 6 pi. Solve this value and we get 18.84 radian per second. Put in this equation, 176 is equal to 18.84 into r. So the value of r is equal to 9.34 meter. So this is the final answer.